Okay, last time we talked about finishing the frame, and here I got a quick video about putting up tracks. So it depends on obviously how you're gonna lay out your boards, but I went with a darker board on the frame along the side. So I put this one in first to kind of be a measure for me over here, and then I started laying the boards here one by one, starting from the house. This is a 19-foot deck and I have 20-foot boards. So what I do is I'll lay down a set and I'll come out here and measure roughly how long they have to be so that they fit within the deck itself. And then after I have everything laid down, then I'll just do a nice kind of clean cut line all the way across to the very end. Lessons learned on the tracks is first, when you put in the fasteners, the hideaway fasteners, put them in about halfway through, screw them in about halfway through. It says so in the manual. And then what I do is, when I have the board in that attaches to it, I step on the board, I step on the board next to it, kind of like this, and then I screw the screw in. You're gonna have fasteners over here kind of set up on the outside about halfway, and the reason for that is that not all the boards are perfectly straight, so that you can start on one end, secure the board, and then kind of bend the board at the very end, put another fastener here, boom, boom, boom. So do them on the outside about halfway, and then you come in here and then you finish the one that you set up previously, and you finish that, so that your halfway fasteners are in here, and now you're finishing these. And then you put in the next board, and then you put in the fasteners on the other side, you put in the next board, and then you jump the board over, and then you finish the board over here. That way you're securing the board one by one, and you can align the boards and kind of let some of that play that you have in the boards be negated by the pressure that you can apply at the other end to straighten them up. And then I kind of did 6, 7, 8 boards. The next one over until this is all done. The next video will be about finishing the framing for the deck, which I have in different color, and how to deal with some of the corners and indentations.